All right, guys, your next exercise is your RDL, Romanian deadlifts. All right, so this is what I want you to focus on when you do this one. Keeping your feet hip width apart. So remember, your hip is not way out here, it's right here. So you're gonna keep them hip width apart and you're gonna lift. So as you go down, I want you to find your neutral spine first. Keep your booty clenched or your glutes squeezed, abs tight and chest nice and tall, chin in. And then you're gonna push your bum back and then you're gonna come all the way down and then back up. If you can't go completely straight and all the way down to the ground, you can bend your knees. But the idea here is that I want you to hip hinge and really lean back while keeping a nice neutral spine. So I don't want to see this. Please don't do this when you're lifting, especially as you get heavier weights, you're gonna hurt your back. So push your hips out and lower and then squeeze and lift. You really should feel it in the back of your hamstrings and in your glutes. All right, your turn.